Hi boys and girls, this is Ms Martina. I just finished doing laundry and I have this big pile of socks that I have to match. I have all these socks, different color socks that I have to match. And I need a little help matching them. All these different colors. I have a black sock, I have a gray and orange sock, I have a gray and blue sock. I have a black and purple sock here in my pile. I also have a white sock, a white and red sock too. So I need to find the matches to all these different socks. At home, you can help your mom by finding the matches to socks too. You're just gonna look for the color and the size of the sock. So let's get started. See, I have this long black sock. Let's see if I can find the match. I don't know. Does this one match? No, this is not black and long. This is white and short. So that can't work. Wow, how about this one? I think I got a match. So I'm gonna fold up this sock and put it in my basket because I got the color black socks that match together. Let's see if I can find another match. Let's take that white sock that has gray in it. Let's see if I can find that match. These kind of look close in color. Uh-oh, but there's a little red here. Does the red match this white and gray sock? No, so that's not gonna work. I'll put that back in the pile. Let's see, how about this sock? Does that match? No, that's black and purple. I think I found the matches. 2 white and gray socks, all set to be put in the basket. Let's see if I can find more matches. Let's see. I have this gray and orange sock. Let's see if I can find the match. Let's see. This one. Ooh, no, that doesn't match. This one is white and red. Let's see. Match? Oh no, that's purple and black. Oh wow, am I ever gonna find the match to this gray and orange sock? Let's see. There it is. I found the match. Let's put these socks in the pile. They're all ready. Let's see, how many matches do I have left to find? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3 matches left. Let's see if I can find them in the pile. How many socks do I have left? I hope I have enough socks left. Let's see. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you notice what I noticed? I think I found a match. Yay, another match. The white and red socks. We found the pair. Let's put them in the basket. Let's see what we have left. Okay, I'm looking at these socks. Do you know which ones match? The blue and gray socks. Yay! Let's put those in the basket. And ta-da! The black and purple socks. We found the matches. Yay! Boys and girls, you can practice your colors, your counting, and you can also help mom and dad at home with folding your socks and finding your matches to your socks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I miss you all. Take care.